इंटरनेशनल प्रेस पूछ रहा है, what's happening in Pakistan? What people are doing in Pakistan? Why this big gathering are taking places in Pakistan? Yes, it is very clear. We want to announce we are Muslim, we are believing in La ilaha illallah. We love our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. We love the companion of our Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam. And the world has to notice that we never allow anyone to disgrace anyone from our companions of Prophet. We are very clear.